What's up, guys? I'm super excited. I'm back and I have an awesome video for you today. I'm super excited to share how I've been making money selling ebooks without writing a single word. I know it's hard to believe, but if you stay to the end of this video, I promise I'm going to be showing you exactly how I do that, the tools I use, the places I sell, and the ways that I promote, and you can get started making money like this too. Anybody can do this, guys, so watch until the end. You need to learn every one of these steps. Okay, so before we even do that though, I'm going to show you kind of the potential of this. I'm on a website already right here called Fiverr.com, which I'm sure you've heard about, but if you don't know what Fiverr is, basically it's a freelance website which allows people to sell their services of all kinds of things. People make logos on here, they do video animations, and what we're talking about here, which is ebook writing, that's one of the things people do on here. So if you look here, you see a bunch of people charging $50, $50, $30, $50, $40, $25, $50, $400. So these people are making a ton of money selling ebooks on Fiverr, and you can see how many orders they're getting. I mean, this person right here has 92 orders at $50 a piece. I mean, that's almost $5,000 right here just on ebooks. Now, I like to use methods that I can really scale. So I don't like to actually do the work myself, and that's not because I'm lazy. I work very hard. It's because I want to be able to do tons of jobs instead of one job that takes me a week and I only can make 50 bucks. I'd rather be doing 5 of these a day instead of 1 a week. It's kind of how I look at things, and I'm going to teach you exactly how I do that. So Fiverr is a great place that you can post your things, and I encourage that you do. I'm going to be showing you another website in a moment where you can actually compete with a lot less people. It's similar to Fiverr, but it's much lesser known, so it won't be as hard to get jobs on there. So I'll be showing you that in just a moment. Another great website, which is similar to Fiverr but a little bit less user-friendly, but it's a massive website nonetheless. It's called Upwork.com. If you don't know what this is also a freelance website. So people are posting, I put ebook writer in here, and people are posting, these are people who will write for you if you need an ebook. So you can put your gig in here too. People are, getting paid $20 an hour, $20 an hour, $18, $45 an hour, $30 an hour. All these people are making a ton of money. So, I mean, you can see this person's earned 40K. This person's earned 40K. These people are getting jobs, obviously. I mean, if they're making 20 an hour, they'd have to do a lot of jobs to make $40,000. So, you see they've had 36 hourly jobs, 98 fixed hourly price jobs, and 778 hours worked. Now, I'm not going to expect you to do all that. Trust me, I got something in store. So this is another place you can come to. Now, the place that I mentioned where you can get a lot more jobs with less competition is a little lesser known website called peopleperhour.com. Now, I'm sure you've never heard of this, but look, it looks very similar to Fiverr, okay? But there's going to be a lot less competition. On Fiverr, you might need a ton of reviews or anything to get started, to really start to get traction on your offer. I've had Fiverr gigs that do well even without a ton of even when they were new and I didn't have a bunch of reviews, but so it is possible, and I definitely think you should list on there for sure, but this is another option where you can get started. So let's get into it, guys. I'm going to show you how I've been making ebooks like this that are professionally done, professional covers, professionally written with almost a click of a button, okay? This is the secret sauce. Now, this website right here, sorry, I'm at the bottom. This website is called Scribble. Scribble with a Q. I guarantee you haven't heard of this before. Almost nobody knows of this. It just launched. You're going to be one of the first people to get in on it. So basically, this software, and you don't even have to download it. It's completely cloud-based, so nothing will go on your computer. You're going to use it just like a website. So create amazing ebooks and reports in 5 minutes without typing a word. So basically, this software will it'll create ebooks for you, stunning designs, 60-second creation, instant content, and they're going to give you a commercial license so you can sell all these things as your own. So it's actually legal. You're not doing anything wrong by creating an ebook on here and selling it on Fiverr. Excuse me, guys, my voice is weird today. You're not doing anything wrong. So this is actually what they're allowing you to do by giving you the commercial license, which they're including at this launch. So here's a demo. I encourage you to click the link below and check out this video on your own time, because I'm not going to waste your time in this video playing a video. But this video kind of shows a little bit more about it, and you can see just from this little screenshot here how professionally done the covers are. I mean, they look really nice, clean, modern designs. They're nothing, cheaply done. They look very nice and professional. And this is the kind of quality of work that you can be representing as your own, which people will think, wow, I would buy that from them, because they clearly know what they're doing. So how does it work? How does it do it in just minutes? So you're never gonna have to waste hours and hours. You're gonna have to to call someone else to design it, wait 5 or 14 days, spend $100, burn $250 to $650 hiring a freelance writer online. We're actually gonna let other people do that. We're gonna be the person that they hire and pay these numbers to. You might not be able to charge this right away, but after you get a few jobs under your belt, trust me, you'll be able to start to charge more and more and more. And there's gonna be people who have no clue. I mean, you have never heard of this site, most likely. Neither have pretty much anybody else. So if they're looking for an ebook, you're probably thinking like me. I'm sort of skeptical. I'm always like, why wouldn't everybody just come here and do it this way? Why would they pay all this money for an ebook when they can come to Scribble and just get it done themselves? Because they don't know about it, guys. And that's what business is. You have the inside track. You have the knowledge. Knowledge is power. You know about Scribble, so you can create these books for them and charge them the maximum dollar. That's business. So this is how we're going to be doing it. So when we come here, you're going to have 3 steps. So basically, you pick a template. They have these kind of done for you ready-made templates. I think they include over 50 eye-grabbing templates and designs across 15 niches. So basically, you pick one of these to kind of get a kind of feel of how the ebook's going to be laid out, the sort of scheme of it. And once you pick that, it can be anything else. It doesn't have to be about this topic, but it'll just different templates to work from. Once we pick one of those, step 2 is going to be to add instant content. Now, there's a few ways you can go about this. So the one they give you, which I really love, is you can just enter a URL and watch Scribble automatically fill your pages with fresh, ready-made content. So you could say you Google, how to lose weight for women, and you find a massive blog post that's like, 6,000 words or something crazy like that. People write these massive blog posts on these huge blogs that get tons of visitors. You take a link like that, you pop it in a Scribble, and the algorithm will read all of that, and it'll rewrite it into an ebook with all that useful content and information, but it'll make it fresh and unique and ready, made into an ebook. So instead of being this long, boring article that no one wants to read straight through, it'll be a more readable content, which you'll see in a moment. So that's one way. They also have a way to fill your ebook with a selection of 1,000 instant niche articles from our built-in content engine at a push of a single button. So if you can't find a URL to use, they have 1,000 ready-made articles that you can use to generate an ebook from. And you can upload your own Word file, then sit back as Scribble automatically extracts the content from the document, puts it in straight into a new ebook. So there's a few ways you can get started, or a few ways you can use to make an ebook that are extremely easy. And when I say click of a button, I mean literally. So feeling creative, start from scratch and write content yourself, or copy and paste content directly into your pages instead. So if you really want to write an ebook, I still recommend you use this, because it's going to give you the better looking layouts and the way it flows, and it's not going to look so boring, just text pages. It's going to have pictures, and you'll see in just a moment with some pictures here how it can look. So I mean, you see how these pictures just kind of look really nice and professionally done. Then once it's all in, customize and publish. You can tweak things, add some pictures, add some buttons, dividers, headlines, images, add, delete parts that you don't like, and then you're done. So look how much nicer these look than just a regular boring article that might be on a blog or something. See, you'll have like a nice table of contents which it generates from you, different colors on the pages, pictures, pictures that have the words kind of wrapped around it. That looks like how real books look. And this is the secret sauce, guys. You're gonna really have to leg up on the competition, because a lot of people are creating ebooks, but not a lot of people know about this. So not only will you be able to do it better, but you'll be able to do it faster, which is the key. So as we go here, you'll see a few more things how it kind of works. So you can take pretty much any article, turn it into an ebook, and it's that simple, guys. Look at this article. See, this looks so boring, and it turns this into this. So, this is like what, a boring blog post will look at. Everyone's like, this has a ton of great information, but it doesn't look exciting. No one wants to read it. So, but this looks exciting. It's like, wow, that's engaging. That makes you want to read it. I mean, you have these big pop-ups and pictures, and look at all these colors. It's just it's laid out so nice and professional, and there's no one who wouldn't be satisfied if you gave them this as your product. You would get a 5-star review every time. So, That's basically it, guys. I'm gonna scroll down here just to kind of show you a couple more features, but automatic footers and headers, automatic page numbering. Like you wouldn't even think about that stuff sometimes. It's gonna do all that for you. Drag and drop technology, so you don't really have to have any technical knowledge. Fully customizable, unlimited pages. You can make them as big as you want. You can add different design elements. So it's quick and easy to use. Like I said, cloud-based. It's not going to be anything that takes up room on your computer. You don't have to worry about getting a virus or anything like that. You're going to have 50 templates, 15 niches. You're going to have all the editing and customization features that you will ever need, and push button content to fill your ebooks. I mean, even if you didn't want to sell these, if you want to make an ebook for your business or for generating emails, there's a million reasons to make an ebook, and now you can do it in the push of a button. This is absolutely amazing. So I see, that some of you might be thinking, what's the catch? Okay, it does cost $67. Now that is something. It's not a lot for the value you're getting here, because I'm going to be showing you how you can make $300 a day or something like that, upwards of. Basically, you can get this even cheaper, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So Scribble, we have all these pictures here that kind of show you more about what you're getting. And like I say, click the link below, watch the video in this page, or in this on this website, to kind of see more about it. But you're going to be able to do more books faster, which is going to make you a ton of more money. So you're going to get the commercial license, like I said, which they're allowing you to resell anything that you make on here. And then you're going to get a client dashboard, so that way if you want to organize your orders, you can do that here if you want. And they're also going to give you a website that shows you a portfolio website, so you can put on display how your ebooks look and that sort of thing that comes with. But I'm going to show you here, if we come down here, yeah, so we'll kind of see what we're getting here. The normal price is $197. The commercial license is $497. Agency website that you get is $997. So the value is almost $1,700, and you're going to get it for $1,600. But if you want to get it even cheaper, guys, I'm going to actually leave a link below that's going to have a coupon included. So here, it might be different by the time you click this link, but if we click here, we'll see that it does have a price of $67, but as soon as we type in the coupon code here, you'll see the price drop. I think, what did it say, $20 or something like that. We'll hit apply, and you see the coupon actually does work. So we're actually getting it for $46.90, so like $47. So it basically takes off $20 off the order. So it's not even $67, guys, it's $47. And when you realize all the value you're getting for this and the opportunity of how much money you can make, it's absolutely enormous. I mean, if you really think about it, if you want to start a real business, if you want to start a restaurant, you'd have to you'd have to rent or buy a building, you'd have to buy tables and chairs, you'd have to buy all the food, the oven equipment, you'd have to hire a staff, pay all their salaries. You'd have to spend a lot of money, in real business before you even make your first dollar. If you can't take the risk of putting in $47 in the hopes to make money back, then you're just not cut out for business. You got to take action, guys, at some point. So I want to show you one more thing on how we're really going to get started making money, because you might be sitting there now and you think, wow, this is a cool opportunity, I might want to look into this, but I'm kind of nervous. What if I don't get sales? I'm going to show you a way how you can pretty much guarantee it. You can't guarantee anything in life, but if you do this, you should have good results. So this is the way I've been doing it. I don't like to post and just wait, hope people will look at my jobs and hire me. I want to go after it, So I come to peopleperhour.com, and then right here you hit search, and then you can hit search projects to quote on. So this will be a bunch of people who listed theirs, and we can make an offer on their product or on their project. So if I just type ebooks here, you'll see a bunch of listings of people who have jobs. So right here, write a 30-page ebook on modern project management. You can find an article about that, I'm sure, and make it into an ebook. I need someone to do a how to start a clothing line ebook. If you Googled how to start a clothing line, it's almost a 100% guarantee that there will be 1,000 articles on that. You can use any one of those articles and flip it into an ebook. Now you see they're offering $75 at a fixed price. I would send this proposal and undercut everybody. I'll say I'll do it for $25. And that's how you can start to build up momentum. Once you start to have a bunch of reviews and you start to get some things rolling, and you have projects done, you have reviews, then you can start to up your price and you can compete with these big dogs. You can start charging $150, $200 for your jobs if you want, especially when you're putting out this quality content with these great templates that you've seen just a moment ago. There's all these people on here who are basically looking for Look, I need an ebook cover and template design for inside. Oh, that reminds me. On Scribble, they actually have the cover generator as well, so you can make all these nice covers for it right inside the software. That's a whole thing of its own, guys. You can just do covers if you want. That's a huge industry. You don't even, if you don't feel confident, making a whole ebook, even though it's this simple, you can just do covers and make amazing ones like this. Because some people write an ebook because they're great writers, but they don't know anything about design. They don't know how to make this. So you can come to Fiverr and you can come up here, instead of ebook writer, put ebook cover, and you'll see how many people in here are making tons of money by doing ebook covers. I mean, look at all these offers here. I will design a Create-based cover, Kindle cover, ebook cover, Kindle cover, all this stuff. And some of these people are just, look at how boring. Who wants to see this as their cover photo, guys? You can do better than this. You can post nice pictures like this. It's not that hard. And if you can't make a picture like this, you can create a couple template ebook covers and ask someone on Fiverr to make you a picture like this for $5 and then put it on your Fiverr gig. It's so simple, guys. Use other people. They are your resources. You don't need to do any of the hard work yourself to make money these days. So, this girl has a picture of herself. Wow, I'm impressed. I'm scrolling right by. You can be better than that. You can make the sales. And now, if I was really wanting to be competitive, I just undercut everybody. I would only keep mine at $5 until I start to get sales. And then when you get this 4.9 star rating, you've done $1,000, or 1,000 people have bought your covers. Then maybe bump it up to 10 or 40 or whatever you feel you can get away with to make the most money. So you have to remember, guys, that some of these people, they're getting a sale for 40, 50 bucks. Then they go to their Photoshop and they spend hours and hours and hours creating this cover. You don't have to do that. You're going to get a sale and you're going to make it in 10 seconds and then give it back to them. If you want to make it look like you really worked hard on it, which I would probably do, I would maybe say I'll have it ready in 2 days, even though it's only going to take me 30 seconds. And then I would submit it to them 2 days later and ask them how it is. And if maybe I would offer $5 gig, and on Fiverr you can have upsells. So I would put, for an additional $5, I'll give you one revision. So then if they say, oh, I don't like it, can you change this? I don't like this, make this color red instead of orange or something like that. You can change that around for them for an additional $5. So then you just made an easy $5. That's because it's only gonna take you 10 more seconds and you doubled your earnings. So that's it, guys. Utilize Fiverr, utilize Upwork, utilize people per hour. Go to the search and hit search projects to quote on, and then do it all on Scribble, guys. Everything you need is here. You can create these ebooks from any website, any article, any document. And you can do the covers on here as well. And if you just want to do the covers and keep it extremely simple, there's no reason you can't do that. So you're going to get everything you need in this. And like I said, this $67 is a crazy value because you can make your money back in basically one ebook, even 2 ebooks. And then from there, it's just straight profit forever. And then if you use this coupon, when you click the link below, you'll have a coupon on here. You can get it for even $20 off, so $47. It's an absolute no-brainer, guys. Take action today. Start making money online. Anybody can do this, even if you're a beginner. There's no reason to leverage sites, not to leverage sites like Fiverr and services like Scribble. You'll be one of the first people to get in on this. First movers always get the money. That's just how business works. Before you know it, everybody will be using this software and it will be very hard to compete. So start beating everybody when you're the first to know how to use this. And that's it, guys. So hope you liked this video. If you did, drop me a like, subscribe, drop a comment. I can't wait to hear from you. I want to hear what you want me to make a video about next. And guys, I hope this really helps you out. I'll see you on the next one.